Yeah.
Remember that first one you made?
It's good. You just put it right in there.
Yeah. The first video you made of Zeb and whoever else, he was just sitting there like whatever.
Yeah.
He was just like, and you were doing the voices of the characters.
Dimension.
Yeah.
We could actually do the video.
Do what? Can you explain it to me? About what?
So we should do the video of a requested video of Eric's dog Zeb and the SML characters, Junior, Cody, so on and so forth, Jeffy, and yeah, and all the others, Chef Pee, I suppose, and we should do the video with his dog Zeb and say to Ryan, "Hey Ryan, you fucking happy now?
Don't flip the
happy.
bird.
You're happy you got your videos after all that."
Don't flip the bird, Martin.
Yeah. So what do you think about that, Art? I gotta send it to him.
Sounds like a good idea.
Yeah, and maybe even get Millie in it too. Hey, here's your bonus
Hey,
video.
don't forget to check out my YouTube channel. It's Catherine Conley 9823.
Yep. Check it out.
So I gotta send it to Ryan. Or
This video is going on YouTube.
yeah, I know. What?
Goodest videos is PG-13.
Okay.
Actually,
Why is it PG-13?
I don't know. There's some. There's a wrote down about it.
Oh yeah, there's a rule book about it.
No, there's a write down about it.
Oh yeah, just about.
Yeah.
How old do you have to be to watch it?
It's 9.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
But it's not a mature audience.
No, you have to be like 9 and up. I would say 9 or older.
What
9
if-
years old or
What if
older.
there's no swears in the video?
I don't know.
I'm just kidding. I was just joking about that Ryan thing. It's like, yeah, we definitely should make the video and give him a message. So that way we can make it fun instead of getting annoyed.
Yeah. Yeah, my glass is in the living room.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Glass. Soda glass.
Yeah.
I'm all set. No problem.
Okay, that's not a report.
Yeah.
Happy to watch the Bruins game?
Oh yeah. They're down under right now.
Oh, cool.
They're down. Well, actually, the Bruins are down. Florida's winning.
Oh.
Since Florida's team are Panthers and the Bruins are the Bears. Bears are stronger than Panthers, but the Panthers are kicking the Bears' hairy asses right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
She went to a library thing,
Yeah.
you know,
Oh, yeah.
baby,
With the baby, yeah.
a couple of months ago. The baby got really sick. They got really sick.
The Florida Panthers are kicking the Bruins guys' asses.
Yeah, oh yeah. So close game.
Yeah.
One to go. So,
Yeah.
so do you ever help her grade the papers?
Sometimes, yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I help a little bit.
No shit. Wow. Yeah.
And, you know, its exhaust system was replaced, but my minivan, he had the Honda Odyssey minivan. So I know you guys have had a number of those.
That van.
I've had 5 of them. So Bill said he said like 3.
Yeah.
No, but I would guess that it was like a 2006, maybe.
Did he plow with it?
Well, he bought it used.
Yeah.
Probably bag.
Yeah, I did.
So, I mean, it's 4-door.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, those
Catherine, were you able to move all your
trucks from
things
those
back
years,
down
they
there?
brought
Yeah.
out,
Oh, you
so
did?
that's
Yeah.
why
Okay.
that's why it was probably like that. Because almost everybody knew with those kinds of trucks, it just
So did you, what made
deteriorates
you
if you don't
decide
wash
to go
it,
to storage and get stuff?
and the salt gets on the
Because I
underbody
Oh.
and the paint, and
Oh,
it just
okay.
and it just very out.
Yeah.
Never runs
Okay.
over the truck.
Yeah, he
Go right ahead.
He did.
You treat just like gold.
Did you hear about your
Fighting.
We're having the lowest prices around. You treat
Fighting of hockey.
Yeah.
It's just mind his own business,
Yeah.
just chilling out.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden, Millie pulls me she sniffs, and then she gets rambunctious, and all of a sudden she goes in the bushes, and then she's just in there. She goes.
What the?
That's what's just like that. Exactly just like
Yeah.
that. She's on the leash, and then she's going inside the
What
bush.
the?
And
That wasn't a real dog. That was an imitation dog.
Yes, it was an imitation dog.
Imitation dog.
Oh, come on.
Sorry, I'm in the way.
A good imitation. Of
Here.
I guess so. Tur.
Oh my God, what a save!
Oh.
What a save!
Wow.
Wow.
Oh my god, I
Wow,
thought that
that
was
was
yeah,
that was awesome.
I thought that would have
I thought it did too.
Margo
That was a
Walker.
great
Oh.
save. That's
Oh,
right.
really?
Yeah.
Go get her.
Up.
Jeez, Millie.
Oh my God! Did he pluck that out?
Yeah, he plucked it right in the air.
The-
You can't even see it. You can't even see it.
Ah, what the?
Nice stick.
That's amazing.
You don't get that treatment from
How
that.
did you get that?
Not even close. But yeah, she was barking just like how she was
Oh,
a moment ago. And she was just in the bushes doing it. And I'm like,
Yeah.
Millie, what's going on? What I'm like, what are
Yeah.
you doing? And then she's just barking it. And then I look in the bushes and I'm like, oh, hi, buddy. Because the cat's in there.
yeah,
And I was like, Millie, leave him alone.
yeah.
So I pull her away. And then she's still barking. She's just
Yeah.
like, I'm like, Millie, come on. Get the fuck
Yeah.
out of here.
Oh, there's your dog.
Dave does the, are you gonna do the?
And then she's just staring at the bushes, barking.
Yeah.
And here comes here comes another story. So Owen and I were walking Millie,
That's
and this is down the
Yeah,
street.
that's perfect.
And there was a cat. Owen had we had the dog, and then we had them in our hand. Owen was holding them, and then we saw a cat on the hill. This was down the street.
Yeah, down the street that way.
Yeah.
What is that? What
And
is
then
that
the cat,
right
and
there?
he was trying to make friends with them, and then he was just standing there holding his hand down, and the
Yeah.
cat slowly came, and then I was with her, and all of a sudden she stares at him. She gets all ramped up, and then sure enough she starts barking.
I would like
Yeah.
to do that.
Just like, oh great. And then Owen was yelling at me. Owen was yelling to take her away.
Yeah, I would think.
He was saying, Martin, get her out of here. So anyways,
The campgrounds are great, but you can only reserve them like a couple of months in advance. You can't book them way out, at least not the ones that are, run by the.
As you know, I can't drink alcohol or I fall on the ground and puke. So it has to be non-alcoholic.
And I'm like,
I thought
Too
you
much work.
drink it with no issue.
I do drink it with no issue,
I'm
but
just asking, I'm not judging.
hey, I drove here. You're gonna confiscate the keys from me if I drink.
Yeah.
I mean, mine's okay.
I don't know. You're gonna
Glad that you remember the lesson, but
You're gonna confiscate the keys from me if I drink too much. I don't want my keys confiscated from me.
For the season.
I mean, worst case, if we had to confiscate anything, it would be the car itself. If we had to get a tow or anything. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, I don't want you confiscating my keys from me.
One's good.
Yeah, well, one's good. Yeah, but I would know my limit now, and yeah.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, I get it. No pressure.
Very popular, I think, after.
No one-
We're not putting you in an awkward spot, guys.
No one confiscates my keys from me.
No.
No, hey.
I had to. Sorry.
Sunrise, the easternmost point. Married, we rented a nice spot with a few other couples.
It's a very picturesque place. You get an amazing view.